The latest story is from Mylo, who's asked for a story which has a screwdriver, some Lego, pebble, Minecraft, a back garden skate ramp, and a paper plate. Mylo's age 7. Mylo liked adventures, sometimes virtual ones like Minecraft games, and sometimes real ones when he was allowed out. Unfortunately for Mylo, he had an accident with a cricket bat and a pebble that meant there was a loud crash, and a cross neighbour who came out of his greenhouse with little bits of glass in his hair shouting, "What's going on?" Mylo was sent from his back garden, away from his back garden skate ramp, away from the cricket bat, away from the pebbles, and sent to his room to think about what he'd done, while his mum, being very embarrassed, apologised to the neighbour. Well, he stayed inside for a while playing with his Lego, trying to recreate that skate ramp in the back garden. He thought he would have a skate ramp kind of competition between Darth Vader and Luke Skywalker. But he couldn't find Darth Vader's head, and actually he couldn't find Luke Skywalker's head either. He knew he had them somewhere. Why is it always that the heads of Lego disappear and end up on the wrong things, or inside models, or underneath the bed, or whatever? Anyway, he looked around and he couldn't find it anywhere. And then he sort of looked around. He thought, what else can I do? What else is there? And he found a screwdriver. And he thought, Dad left his screwdriver here when he was fixing my wardrobe. I wonder what it will unscrew. I wonder if it'll unscrew the bottom of my remote control car. So he got the screwdriver, and every time he tried, this car would spin round or the screwdriver would miss. He couldn't kind of keep it still. He thought, I know what I'll do. I'll hold it against the wall in the corner, and then he poked about, moved it along a bit, poked again, and the screwdriver slipped off. Oh no! The end of the screwdriver disappeared into the wall. It had made a great big hole like that in the wall. Bits of plaster had fallen down inside. Whatever am I going to do? He got a paper plate. He had several. They'd been given to him by Granny, who'd said they'd be good for art. And he drew a picture. He spent ages on it. And then got a bit of blue tack, and he blue tacked it just above the hole so nobody could see it. Well, Mum came up to see how he was and to bring him a drink and to tell him that he could perhaps go out again. And she saw the paper plate and the artwork, and she said, "Oh, Mylo, that's so good. You've been such a good boy, and you haven't got out into any mischief. I'm so pleased with you. You can go out to play in the garden again." And that's what Mylo did. I wonder when the hole was discovered and what happened then. Mylo, perhaps you'd like to write the rest of the story.